Whether you want a lightweight travel model, a comfortable scooter for daily errands, or a durable option for extended outdoor use, this guide has you covered. In today's video, we're counting down the best mobility scooters for adults and seniors, featuring portable designs, long-range performers, and heavy-duty models that deliver added comfort, stability, and reliability. The Drive Medical Cobra GT4 is a high-performance and luxurious mobility solution designed specifically for outdoor use. With its impressive features and capabilities, it offers a top-notch experience for users seeking both performance and style. One of the standout features of the Cobra GT4 is its impressive weight capacity of up to 204 kilograms, making it suitable for individuals with larger body sizes who prioritize maintaining their mobility independence. Moreover, the four-wheel configuration of the scooter ensures excellent stability, even when navigating rough outdoor terrain. Driving the Cobra GT4 is a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly design. The scooter features a key switch for easy startup and simple push-pull throttle control, along with a wraparound delta tiller that enables smooth acceleration, deceleration, and steering, even for individuals with limited strength and dexterity. In terms of performance, the Cobra GT4 sets a new standard. It boasts a class-leading top speed of 16 km per hour, allowing for efficient travel. The scooter also offers a generous travel range of 56 kilometers, making it ideal for extended trips. Additionally, the adjustable speed controls and battery gauge provide users with convenient control and monitoring of the scooter's power level. Overall, the Drive Medical Cobra GT4 combines outstanding performance, stability, and luxury to offer users a superior mobility experience. It is a reliable choice for individuals looking to maintain their independence while enjoying the great outdoors. The Metro Mobility Scooter M1 is a highly convenient and user-friendly portable scooter designed to provide superior value and ease of use. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or using it for day-to-day activities, the M1 scooter offers a range of features that enhance your mobility experience. One of the key highlights of the M1 portal scooter is its comfortable seating. The scooter is equipped with a height-adjustable swivel seat and a fold-down backrest. The padded and adjustable armrests provide additional comfort, while the large plastic carry basket offers convenient storage space. These accessories are customizable and facilitate easy boarding and exiting. The scooter is designed for easy portability and transportation. It can be quickly disassembled into 4 lightweight pieces, making it effortless to load into a vehicle or take along on trips. The folding tiller and removable seat allow for compact storage in the trunk of a standard-sized vehicle. In terms of functionality, the M1 scooter includes a battery and charger, a variable speed dial for setting the desired speed, and a color-coded battery life indicator to check the battery status. The scooter features flat-free, non-marking tires that offer excellent maneuverability with a tight turning radius. The control panel allows for seamless transitions between forward and reverse directions. For user comfort and ease of operation, the scooter is designed with left-handed friendly controls and ergonomic wraparound handles. These features enable the one-handed operation and reduce strain on the wrist, providing a comfortable and controlled navigation experience over smooth surfaces. Overall, the Metro Mobility Scooter M1 combines convenience, comfort, and maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for individuals seeking a reliable and versatile mobility solution. The Moving Life ATTO is a versatile and innovative solution for individuals with limited mobility seeking independence and convenience. This foldable scooter offers maximum self-sufficiency by allowing users to split the vehicle into 2 lighter sections, making it easier to lift and store the parts as needed. The weight of the scooter is distributed between the front and rear halves, with the front half weighing approximately 12 kilograms and the rear half weighing around 17 kilograms. This mobility scooter is renowned for its style and functionality. It is considered one of the industry's most stylish foldable scooters, while also being a safe and intelligent choice for individuals with limited mobility. The ATTO empowers users to move and travel independently, enabling a higher level of mobility freedom. The ATTO folding mobility scooter has received positive reviews for its quality and capability. It is recommended for individuals weighing up to 136 kilograms, particularly for those who have not found suitable options within mainstream brand product lines. The scooter provides a reliable and capable alternative for those seeking a well-performing and durable mobility solution. With its foldable design, the ATTO mobility scooter offers exceptional portability and ease of transportation. It can be conveniently folded and unfolded, allowing for hassle-free storage and convenient travel. The scooter's compact size when folded makes it suitable for various transportation methods, including car trunks or public transportation. In summary, the Moving Life ATTO mobility scooter offers a stylish, safe, and reliable solution for individuals with limited mobility. Its innovative design, split capability, and ease of transportation make it a versatile choice for those seeking mobility independence. The Tzora Titan is a high-performance scooter designed to provide reliable and convenient mobility for individuals with mobility challenges. With its impressive features and specifications, the Titan offers a comfortable and efficient means of transportation. The scooter features a spacious seat, ensuring ample room for a comfortable seating experience. It has a top speed of 11 km per hour and a maximum range of 25 km, making it suitable for both short trips and longer journeys. One of the key highlights of the Tzora Titan is its high-performance battery packs. These lightweight battery packs deliver ample power, ensuring optimal performance at all times. They are easily removable, allowing for convenient charging and replacement. The scooter is designed with user comfort and convenience in mind. It features a wide comfort-fit seat measuring 56 centimeters in width, providing a comfortable seating experience. The scooter's controls are intuitive and easy to operate, allowing for smooth maneuverability. Overall, the Tzora Titan mobility scooter offers a reliable and efficient means of transportation for individuals with mobility needs. With its high-performance features, comfortable seating, and user-friendly design, the Titan is a versatile and practical choice for enhancing mobility and independence. The Drive Medical Scout scooter line offers a range of convenient and easily transportable scooters that cater to individuals seeking mobility independence. The lineup includes the Spitfire Scout and Spitfire Scout Deluxe models, which can accommodate individuals weighing up to 136 kilograms. These scooters are designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a key switch for easy starting, a push-pull throttle control, and a wraparound delta tiller for smooth acceleration, braking, and steering. They are particularly suitable for individuals with limited dexterity. The Spitfire Scout scooter boasts a top speed of over 6 km per hour, and the control panel allows users to adjust the speed using a dial. With its 12 amp-hour batteries, the scooter provides a travel range of up to 14 kilometers, ensuring sufficient coverage for various mobility needs. Additionally, the Spitfire Scout scooters are highly portable. They can be disassembled into 5 lightweight pieces without requiring any tools, allowing for easy storage and transportation. When disassembled, the parts can fit compactly into the back seat or trunk of a car. Reassembling the scooter takes less than a minute, ensuring quick setup upon reaching your destination. Overall, the Drive Medical Scout scooter line offers individuals a reliable and versatile mobility solution that combines convenience, ease of use, and portability. With its adjustable speed, ample travel range, and effortless disassembly process, the Scout scooter line empowers individuals to maintain their mobility independence and enjoy an active lifestyle.